Today we will talk about the seaborn library in the pandas. We will use this for the data visualization. It's the same with the matplotlib, but this seaborn works in the patterns of matplotlib. In the matplotlib, we have only one type of the graphs, but in seaborn you can change the style of your graphs, and it will give you more beautiful data visualization. If you haven't got the library seaborn, just write pip install seaborn. I suppose in Anaconda you already have this library. First of all, you should try this all this the same import matplotlib, import matplotlib pyplot library, numpy library, and then you can use plot style classic. Yes, and here we will create random array. It will start from 0 till 10. There will be the 100 elements of the array, and it's the same with our previous matplotlib lesson. And here we will try to use for these graphs the seaborn library. For this, we just write import seaborn as CNC and write CNC set, and then by plot, if you push the run button, there will be the more modern data visualization. Here, defaultly, it will give you the it will defaultly give you the dark grid style of the graph. Here we can just work with the styles. Write CNC set style white. If you write this, then push the button run. They will be the same with the matplotlib. If you write white grid, then there will be the with grids. Also in this seaborn library, we can work with the we can write the dictionary where we can write like where we can write like grid color, then and let's say the grids will be green, red, and then we can push the button. Sorry, grid color, white grid. Something goes wrong. Yeah, let's start. Let's try to use this one. Just here I suppose I forgot dot. No, it don't work. Let's try that again. I suppose it's this one should be here and it will work. Yes, here our grid color. Also you can work right like red or maybe hexadecimal or here we can write black, and also you can change this kind of things work, and also here you can change the colors of these graphs.